Mushroom? Pew 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 pew. She called us back and said it's not cancer. Hello. They're this long. I think I'm gonna cut them an inch off or so. But while I'm cutting my hair, I would like to take this time. Actually, I should wait till my microwave's done. Wait, I should turn this off. While I'm cutting my hair, I will talk about today's sponsor. Thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. If you're someone who really loves dainty jewelry, simplistic pieces, you should definitely check out Ana Luisa for their very great and affordable, stylish pieces. I am a huge fan of rings. I think out of everything right now, I'm the biggest fan of rings and then earrings. I know it's a little early, but Mother's Day is coming up, and if you're like me, I tend to forget a lot of dates and deadlines. I feel like time just continually keeps passing by. So here is your friendly and super early reminder that Mother's Day is coming up, and if you're like me, I am essentially a mom to my mom. In our dynamic, I feel like I'm the mother and she is the child. So if needed, you can also treat yourself to a Mother's Day gift. I don't think I'm getting myself anything. I really want the Apple headphones, but I am pondering upon that right now. But yeah, my whole left hand is basically Ana Luisa with these two rings. And for Mother's Day, they're actually doing a buy one, get one 40% off. So if you want, you could get something and your mom or someone else who is like a mother figure to you. So there's some food for thought. I hope that you're having a good spring wherever you're coming from. I think it's sort of wild how summer is approaching so fast, but yeah.
말이 그렇다는 겨 진짜 그렇다는 게 아니고. 아이고 인간이.
Let's pack Patreon orders. Patreon mail. Patreon. I'm done with the thank you cards. I finished writing them. I gave everyone's name a little cloud. And this month we have Mushroom, this guy on the back, and these two cute stickers. Pew 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 pew.
때 다행이네.
Dropping off mail. Wow, this is so nice. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. And the texture? Why is this texture so nice? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. I need to take a picture right now, so... It's time. I'm feeling... Oh, I'm so over it all. I'm still in shock that my spring break is not a break. Well, it kind of is, but I'm studying.
What can I get for you?
Hi, can I get an iced shaken espresso with vanilla sweet cream foam on top? Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I think that's what I want, right? I hope. Hello, I am currently editing this and I need to stop playing with my hair. Okay, currently editing this and this day was a emotional mess. To give you a rundown of what happened, my mom noticed that Oreo's stomach was like ballooning, so she thought that that was kind of weird. Thank goodness, because she's the type to never notice anything wrong with him. So she brought him to the vet and oops. My voice is cracking. She brought him to the vet, and on that same day, the vet did a thoracentesis. So essentially, they stick a needle into his lungs and they pulled out fluid to ease that buildup. So this was the day where she was telling me that fluid was building up in both of his lungs and they had to pull fluid out. And she told me he sighed while they did it, which was a sign that he felt relief. And that was so nice to hear, but at the same time it was like, oh my gosh, he's probably been having so much trouble breathing. And she said there was a buildup of fluid in his stomach, but they could only pull out a little because I guess it's bad if they pull out too much fluid from the stomach. She was telling me that he has a very rare case, which I think more commonly dogs tend to have right-sided heart failure, and they did a heartworm test to check for that. and it was negative. So he definitely has a murmur in his heart though, which is something that happens when the valves aren't working as well. And this day she also broke to me that she took out a sample from the fluid that they drew. She looked at the cells under a microscope just to look, and for context she also told me that she's not the best at reading microscopes, but she told me it looked scary, and she said she wants to make sure that it's not cancerous, but she said it looked scary, and that's when I lost it. So yeah, I was like, okay, so he either has heart failure or cancer, which both don't seem so good right now. And the fact that his valves aren't working as well means that there's a chance that the fluid can just keep building up. So they prescribed some meds for him, some diuretics, which is just to help draw that fluid out. And he had a follow-up 1 week later, and I guess it seems okay. A day after the visit, which is a day after she told me that there's a possibility it could be cancer, she called us back and said it's not cancer. At that point, I was like, oh my god, are you serious? Because she told me it looked scary, I for sure thought he had cancer. Which was then I made this one video, and my voice was so cracky, so I'm not gonna play that video because it's so bad and I can't find my words. But yeah, I was a hot mess. This whole time I thought I was a robot because for some reason the past few months I haven't cried, which sounds like a good thing, but I was like, why am I not crying from dramas or anything? So yeah, turns out I still have emotions, and Oreo probably has a heart problem, but for now he's I guess he's doing fine. Hopefully. He's still walking and whatnot. Maybe not the best at walking, but he's still walking. Yeah, end of story. I am a hot mess. In the end, he has no cancer, but he might have heart failure. But he's doing fine for now. So I'm choosing to believe in that. I was about to go pick up a package at the front office, but then I realized I got some orders. Once in a while, I get asked how I balance things. In the end, for the most part, I will only get like a couple of orders every other week or so, so it's quite doable. But it would not be doable if I released a shop update. So I'm hoping I could do a shop update in the summer when things balance out, but we'll see. For now, I am just handling it to the best of my ability. I do think I'm getting slightly better at it, but I think I also didn't overload myself on the workload aspect this semester. Or maybe I'm burning out without realizing it. Okay. Ta-da!